Hey friends, welcome back to the shop.
Today is the day.
That's right. We got a call from Steve over at Barker Machine, and Clara's heart is finally ready. You've all watched the parts haul videos. I'm sure you probably watched the block getting honed and all of the other things going into it. At least we hope you did on getting here.
We thought it was really neat.
Absolutely. And really freaking expensive. Damn it. But 14 months ago was when we started on this journey with her motor, and she's now strapped to the dyno, really hoping to see, are we hitting our target where we started this little trek on.
So 14 months, that's quite a long time.
It's a long damn time. So you're wondering, what, is this guy slow? What the hell? I mean, it's a machine shop. You should be able to pump these things out. Yes, but he is an incredibly busy and popular machine shop. And he also works on local race car drivers and their cars. So,
wait, are you saying Clara's now a race car?
it's fast enough to be one. Will she be on the track? No. No, she will not be on the track. But hey, we all know race car drivers, those teams, they got money, they take priority, they have a season to get ready for. They got motors to repair from being blown up on the track. We have to go in the back of the line, and we're okay with that. So that's why it took so damn long. But we are incredibly thankful to Steve and his team there, really allowing us to kind of watch the whole journey. So let's get over there right now and let's see those numbers, baby.
That run there, 464, 58. There's oil pressure throughout the run here. I suspect with no windage tray and stuff, it's probably wanting to splash some oil around. It's probably why it's dropping off a little bit here, I bet. And full vacuum. Air fuel ratios right and left. Pretty good air day today, so yeah, we're still 1,700 foot, 40% humidity, so man, I don't think we're gonna worry about fattening it up. Get it on in summer with air cleaner on it and stuff, and it's not like a wide open all the time car.
Yes, so you're right.
Here's your torque, which typically they cross at about 5150 in that area, and then your horsepower is still starting to level off, but it's probably got a little more in it. But always leave it up to customer how high you want to run it up to and how much you want to beat on it and stuff. So
yeah,
you know.
Well, I think our goal was right in there because we were talking about anywhere from 450 to 500, so we're right in there.
Yeah, the ones we've done, like the last one we did with these heads, it was like right at 460 in that same range. Cam was a little different than yours, so seems to be working good.
464 horsepower. Woo! So what do you think?
I think that's great. I think that's right in line with what we needed.
Absolutely. And our goal. I mean, we set out for 450 initially, but then we were like, can we get more? Can we do 500 on this block? And everyone we talked to said, yes, you can. So it was 450 to 500. Now, if you noticed on the curve, it was not leveling out yet. So we still had more to go. We just decided, let's play it safe. We don't need to adjust the timing anymore. She's not going to be on the track. We don't need to push it to see what her max could be. But Steve and his knowledge on that dyno and all the freaking motors that he has done, he said easily 10 more horsepower we could have pulled out of it. So incredibly happy with this.
Extremely happy.
Yes. And based on everyone else that we've talked to who's built these things, said that's going to be very stout in this car, and it's going to be hella fun once we get it all together. So,
in more ways than one.
Oh yeah. So thank you once again for following along on this part of the journey. Still a long way to go, unfortunately. So continue to hang around. Share your thoughts. What do you think on the numbers? If you've been following along on this whole journey of building the motor, is it where you thought that it would be? Is it higher, lower? Let us know.
And what are the numbers on your 351 Windsor?
Or
Cleveland.
Yeah, or Cleveland. Or
Yeah.
289, the three most common ones. We won't talk about 427s. So, just little lower numbers. But until next episode, take care, stay safe. We'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.